Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know for do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Opposition Senator Floyd Morris is calling for the National Housing Trust and the Housing Agency of Jamaica to be recalibrated to focus on their original mandate to provide affordable housing solutions for Jamaicans. My viewers and subscribers. Now last night, me post a video and say why Andrew Holness no build apartments so the Jamaican people they can afford it. Now that me say Andrew Holness for build affordable homes. And that me say Andrew Holness for build apartments, affordable apartments. That is what I said. So me glad them a listen. Me glad at least somebody is listening. Somebody is listening. My viewers and subscribers, last night I posted a video and I was saying, why Andrew Holness, the time when I take and I build up whole heap of apartments will cost 20 million, 15 million, why don't he build apartments for Jamaicans so they can afford it? You understand? Maybe 2,000, maybe 3,000 a week. Come on, man. Because, a lot of people have to rent land, for build house pan. A lot of people have to rent land for build house pan. Because they can't afford the land because the land them expensive to buy. You understand me? And by right. Nobody shouldn't even buy no blasted land. The land them is for the people of Jamaica. But you know how things set already. The government they claim everything and then selling it back to us, the taxpayers. You see me? And them something on the right. So my viewers and subscribers, at least somebody is listening. Opposition Senator, me just not too long. I take this out of the article. Yeah, Opposition Senator Floyd Morris is calling for the National Housing Trust and the Housing Agency of Jamaica. They need to come together, my viewers and subscribers. Come together and focus on building affordable homes for Jamaican people. And I agree with the Opposition Senator for that one. I agree because from when me I preach about it, from when me I talk about it, me I say, Andrew Holness, I tell you say, yes, he might build up apartment because a lot of people confused. They say, Andrew Holness come out and he might say, yeah, me I build up apartment and he might build up this and he might build up that. But look, really and truly, can Jamaicans afford those apartments? Them apartments, they're for rich people. You understand? Those apartments are for rich people. Jamaican can't afford it. So guess what? Build up some apartments, affordable houses, so the Jamaican them can rent it. You understand me? This is what you need to start doing, Andrew Holness. You have all the money sit down pan. All the money. You have sit down pan. You understand me? You claim say, you take 400 million, yeah, and spend it out per unoccupied building. Unoccupied building that belongs to another MP. Make it make sense, my viewers and subscribers. While Jamaican people are suffering, and honest, you see one come out and say over 6,000 people are suffer. Or that you come out and say, homeless people and all them kind of something there. And it take you 12 years to realize that every time you go back at about 18 years, we're gone from Wapikil fill up. But you in it for 12. You're not talking about that. You in it for 12 and just realize, say, 66,000 people need help. You just realize that. And I guarantee you, I'm more than 6,000 people. I guarantee you that, Andrew Holness. My wisdom warriors, the time Andrew Holness a build some little small houses, one by one, he's only building that for people who have land. Look how much people have land. So what happened to the people them when I no land? Them not gonna get no house. Them not gonna get no house, And that me I try to show no my viewers and subscribers. What Andrew Holness are doing don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. And majority of the time, 99% of the time, when I say them host, they are pure labor right. I get that. Pure labor right. My viewers and subscribers. You hear me? You hear me? That's why me telling you say what Andrew Holness is doing, it is not right. It is not right. Only people with land alone. Only people with land alone are going to get them little houses there. When the man can take money because he have money. Taxpayers bring in over 80 billion all the time. So him have the money. Can build up apartments. Remember, say him build up apartments for rich people, you know. Him build up apartments and I sell it for 20 million and 15 million. And Jamaican poor people can afford that. So why don't you build up apartments, affordable apartments that Jamaican people can afford? Make it make sense, my viewers and subscribers. Make it make sense. Me tell you about Andrew and no vision. This is why you hear them a call out Mark Golding and say, if you can explain the $3 million threshold. And that them want. So they want now, Mark Golding to come and explain how we would do the work and then now then TV ideas and then put it to 3 million. Then things that we are idiot. We are no idiot. Mark Golding, do not listen to them. Don't listen to them. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, hear this. Government must partner with private sector for more investment in water. When I hear all them something I know, we come out in the news. This a man I know, CEO of the PAN Jamaica Group, Jeffrey Hall, is pushing for more public-private partnerships to develop the nation's water infrastructure. What you mean public-private partnership? What you mean public-private? Listen, I want to leave Jamaican people with them water, you know. I want to leave it because I don't want to take away everything from Jamaica, sell out everything to investors, turn it in a private, and then turn around and Jamaican people have to go start pay for water, because that me I get from it. And that me I get from it, my viewers and subscribers. A major player in the private sector is contending that the government will have to meet the private sector halfway to get more investment in water projects. Why? Get more what kind of investment in what kind of water projects, On the two torment. Anytime when you hear the word private or money, listen, Jamaican people, anytime when you hear the word private, that means money. That means that you have to pay. When it's a public, it is free. When it's a private, it means paid. We don't want no private, nothing to do with no private water. The water is for the Jamaican people. On to blast the torment. Up to the very, Jesus, on a different, up to the very own water, running water, on want turn private, for who? For turn around and sell it back to Jamaican people. Wait there, water now already are selling and they shop them all over Jamaica already. Water now selling a buckle already. So one more water now, hey, listen, Jeffrey, if you don't have nothing for go do, if you don't have nothing else to talk about, Jeffrey, there's a lot of things going on in Jamaica that needs to talk about. The land them, or Juliet Holness allegedly taken away, we'll talk about that. The reports them, what Juliet did for table out and delay tabling them out, go talk about that. We no go talk about something constructive. The whole heap of woman and pitney them we are go missing. The man them everybody we are go dead. We no go talk about that. Talk about violence and crime and stop and live with the water, no? Live with the water. Because every time when you come out, I come chat about private, this private. Look how much private organization Andrew Holness link up with. Look how much organization. Every day Andrew go meeting. Private. Every day. Only leave it with the little running water. I beg you know. Leave us with the water. Let all the water be public. Lord Jesus, seriously. And anytime Andrew hear the word money, Mr. The man here stand up like antenna. Seriously. And this me know I not go back down. My viewers and subscribers. But you tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. An agreement has been reached between the government and transport operators for a delay in implementation of the 16% fare increase, which was scheduled to take effect on April the 1st. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, Transport Minister Daryl Vaz, and other officials met with the members of the Transport Operators Steering Committee and other transport sector leaders on Thursday to discuss the fare increase. But my viewers and subscribers, you don't see what go down. You don't see. When Nigel Clark come out and Christopher Tufton them always come out to talk about political gain. And that them do. Them use them brain pan the taxi operators. Taxi operators, if you not listen to me come out other day and me tell you say, you no fi vote for Andrew Holness. You no forget what Andrew Holness do to you in the pandemic with the baby car seat. Nothing say Andrew Holness now go still do it, you know. Him go still do it. Him just a wait for win general election. This is why me encourage Uno fi do not vote for Andrew Holness, but no for Uno no listen. So because Uno die-hearted. Now look what happened. Andrew Holness and Nigel Clark, they use that as a political gain. So then tell Uno say them go me never see this yet. How Uno fi tell somebody say Uno go increase their money? Yeah? And then after Uno come back out. And then Uno change the mind. Why Uno hold it off? Why? All right. Uno give you Andrew Holness, give Uno ministers 300% raise. Why Uno not change it from 300 and take 150 and use the other 150 and cover this then? If Uno go. If remember say Uno done rich already, you know. Remember say Uno done get good pay already, you know. Remember that, you know. The whole of Uno done get good pay already, and then you increase all of your ministers their money to 300% more. So wait there. Why you not say, all right, since we can't manage now, you know what me I go do ministers? Me I go take away 150. I use the 150% and put pan the transport operators money. And that me I go do. Why you not do that? Then you not talk about you love Jamaican people. You fi stop it. And taxi operators, me want you to act like you have sense, you know. Me no want you to go on like you no have no sense, you know. But you not meet with Nigel Clark, eh? But you not meet up. And you really, I agree. So you not trust them? My viewers and subscribers, me really wonder if the operator then really did meet up for true. Already manager them meet up. Yeah, tell me say the taxi operator them left from work, come on for the job, fi go meet with Uno, so Uno can delay the implementation. Uno no say all of this is a political gain. Talk about this, no? Taxi operators, wise up. Uno hear me? Wise up. Una make Andrew Holness trick Uno too much, man. Eh? And Una taxi operators. Una get too much trick, man. Look what Andrew Holness do with Uno. All when Uno sitting for pay, when they said Uno how much ticket Uno get, and the way all they did a move with Uno. Uno forget everything. Uno easily forget. Hey. You know what? Me not feel no way for the taxi operators them. Me not feel no way. Me not feel sorry for them. Because if them go left for them walk, for go meet up and have a talk, for delay. From when you hear the word delay, you should even blouse and skirt turn up. You shouldn't go nowhere. I run enough for run with them. All Daryl Vaz are running for run him away. A 300% increase him getting. 300 ratty dial increase Daryl Vaz get. You understand me? Viewers and subscribers, me not think the taxi operators them really have understanding of what is happening. Now tell me say they have understand. I really sense them not have. Lord Jesus, me can't, but no sir. Me not understand Uno. What do you know? Really and truly, from the year say Nigel Clark cannot implement the 16%. Uno shouldn't turn up. This is why I wonder if a taxi operator they really go sit down and listen to them. After them get them 300% increase and I live large. Uno fi have sense, you know. Uno taxi operators, uno fi go on like uno sensibly, you know, and stop going like uno head back lick out. Uno fi stop it. You understand? Come in and get to know. Me don't get to know. Me not understand no. This is money. How can this is all a political gain? And una say, if una not say if una not look into yourself and say this is a political gain, something is wrong with you. Something wrong with you big time. This a man here, go up on a high horse. Hope that's why I'm telling you, say, when on a year then run out and say, oh, me I go give 25,000 to this and that. And don't listen to them. They only say it, they not implement it yet. Don't get excited. Una hear me? My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.